Hello, Dr. Ferguson and classmates. My name is Sierra Robinson, but I also go by Cece. I have two amazing sons that are 12 and 6. They both play football for our new youth league here in Cleveland, Tennessee. I am currently a CNA, Certified Nursing Assistant, at a local nursing home that has over 250 sister facilities. My major is in psychology here at Ashford University. I'm taking crime classes as an elective to go with my minor in sociology. My plans after my degree is to work with people that have substance use disorders by becoming a SAP teacher. The area that I find most important is drug abuse prevention. I find drug abuse prevention important because our communities are overrun with drugs. Children of all ages and adults are becoming addicted to drugs every day. Two truths and a lie sounds like an interesting way to break the ice with everyone. My three things about myself are: my favorite place to visit is the ocean. I was raised in Panama City, Florida. I enjoy television in my spare time.